hang on, Lucas. Lucas, what are you going to sing for me?
I'm going to sing out for the A says ah, the B says ba, the C says k, and the D says d, the E says eh, the F says, the D says g, the I says, the I says eh, the D says d, the K says k, and the L says oh, the M says the N says the L says oh, and the P says P, the Q says K, the O says O, the F says T says K, the U says the C says the W says W, the X says K, the Y says Y, and the C says Sam.
Good job, Lucas. Yeah, do you like to sing the alphabet?
Mm-hmm.
I like it when you sing me the alphabet, Lucas. Thank you. Good job.